Imagine being able to buy a virtual dollar card right now for just $1. I think that's about 1,700 naira with today's rates. Yes, you heard that right. Only 1,700 naira to get your own virtual dollar card. So if you've been looking for a way to make seamless international transactions, then this deal is for you. So the best part is it's on an app most of you are already very familiar with, which is gray.co. Now, for those of you who do not have a gray.co account yet, do not worry about that. I've got you covered. Do well to check my previous video where I walked you through the entire process of signing up and verifying your account. I'll leave the link to that video in the end screen, the comments, and in the description of this video so you can get started in no time. The registration and verification process is super quick and seamless. Once you are all set up, just come back to this video and I'll show you how to get your virtual dollar card for just $1. It's ridiculously cheap and easy. So what's Gray.co? It's a platform that lets you send, receive, and convert money internationally all in one app. And one of the best features is the virtual dollar card, which you can use to pay for subscriptions, shop online, or make other dollar transactions securely. Now here is where it gets exciting. Previously, getting this virtual dollar card cost about $5, but right now you can grab it for just $1. Yes, only $1 to have a fully functional virtual dollar card that works globally. Now, let me walk you through the steps. If you already have a Gray.co account, just log in. If not, go register using the guide I mentioned earlier. So before you can purchase the card, you need to fund your wallet with at least $1. And I'll show you two different methods you can use in funding your wallet for this purpose.
Like I said, this offer is limited. As I record this particular video, I believe it's less than 10 hours before it ends. So as you're seeing this video, I want you to hop on it and get your free card ASAP. Okay, so just so you know, you need dollars. You need $1, like I said, to get your virtual dollar card here where you have the card section. Well, my network is pretty slow this morning. Let me just wait. So how are you going to get that done? Okay, how are you going to fund your wallet? Let's assume you do not have any money on your Gray account. How are you going to get that done? Well, it's not that difficult. You see the add button here. You see the add button here. You're going to be funding your account with your local currency. Okay, so now it shows United States dollars. Okay, and then it shows you have other currencies here. So you see British pounds, you see euro, you see naira. As assuming you're in Nigeria, we're going to be funding our account with Nigerian naira. That's our country. Okay, so if you're in any other country, I believe you're going to see your local currency down here. So that's what I'm going to choose now. Okay, how did I get this done? You see where it says United States dollar at the top here, and before the balance, I clicked on that drop down arrow, and then I'm going to select Nigerian naira. Okay, you see that it has changed from United States dollars to Nigerian naira. So I'm going to fund my wallet with let's just say a minimum of 1,008. Okay, so just in case there are extra charges while I'm trying to convert, which is the next thing I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on add. So I'm going to say add. I'm going to choose add via bank transfer. You can see here the second one says add via conversion, blah blah blah, but I'm not going to use that method. So I'm going to choose add via bank transfer. So I've clicked on that. So now I do not have a Naira account here. Okay, because there's going to be a particular Naira account unique to you on your Gray account, which you're going to use you're going to fund the money into that account. Okay, so just click on I don't think it takes time to get your Naira account. That's for those who have not gotten yet. You just click on that, confirm your name, click on continue. Okay, I think they have changed their method, so they're asking for bank verification number. You add it, okay, because it's secure. Gray is secure. You add it, and then you just click on add VPN and BVN, and I think you're done with that. When they give you your Naira account, let me use another account that has a Naira account real quick. Alright guys, so I added my BVN as requested because I realized that was like the new strategy, because Gray has updated a lot. There's so many updates, and if you want me to share other updates that I know of about Gray, please drop a comment in the comments below. Alright, so I'm just going to copy my account information. Okay, where it says view account information, you see that my bank account is ready. Okay, it's my account information here. So I'm just basically going to copy the account number and then credit the money I want to credit in. So these are bank details here. These are you're going to see yours after you have after you must have added your PVN. Your Naira account will be created successfully. So you could just copy the account number here, go to your bank app, and then make the payment. Like I said, you can pay 1,750 or 1,008, depends on you. So because they're going to take charges when the money is credited to your account, so just pay 1,008. So the remaining 15 naira or thereabout will clear the charge. So once your account has been funded in Naira or whatever currency, local currency, depending on the country that you are in, you then head back to your home page, and then you're just going to click on where you have convert. Okay, I believe you can see that. So when you click on convert, you'll be converting the naira you have. Let's say you have 1,750 in your account. Okay, you can see that it's like dollar has come up a bit. It's not up to $1. It's not going to cover for $1. All right, so let's put 1,790. Okay, that's a little bit over $1. So that means you need about 1,718 naira. I think the rate has increased again for your conversion. Okay, to be able to convert it, that's if you're using naira. You understand? So you just convert 1,718 naira. So you can just put 1,850 when you are trying to credit your account. I'm just saying this so you guys don't stress too much. Okay, so you don't just do testing. Just put at least, even if you want to put 2k, it's all right. The balance is still going to remain there. You can withdraw the balance later on. Okay, so just make sure the money you funded your account with is enough to convert into $1. So once that has been done, you put in amount here 1,780. Just click on continue. I don't have any what's it called, I don't have any naira on that account. Okay, so I'm not converting into dollars. So you just click on convert money. So I don't have any money. See, it says insufficient balance. Okay, so once you click on convert money, I think they'll prompt you to input your authenticator code, and then you do that, and the conversion will be successful. You would see that your account will be credited with $1. Right, you have $1 on your balance here. Okay, you see that your account will be credited with $1. So that's basically the first method to funding your wallet in case you want to you don't have any funds on your account and you want to get your dollar card for $1. If you don't have any money in your account, so you just fund your naira account or your local currency account, fund it, then you can convert it to dollars afterwards. So this is the second method. Now the second method, you already have some funds on your account. This one actually pays. So let's say you've withdrawn from some sites into your PayPal account, and then they credited your gray account. Okay, you've linked your gray account to your PayPal account. If you still do not know how to do this, I have videos on that. I'll leave the videos in the description of this video, so go do well to check it. Okay, do well to check it. So if you have some balance in your account, you just basically have to, whether it's in naira, is in euros, or is in British pounds. Okay, since you want to convert it to United States dollars, all you just have to do is to choose the currency where you have a balance there, and then hit convert. Okay, and then you convert it to $1. So that's basically it. So you just check until it says $1. All right, this is kind of too much. All right, just do it if you can. Even if you have excess, there's no problem at all. Even if you have excess, there's no problem at all. So it depends on you. So okay, so that's about 0.881. That gives you $1 if you're converting pounds to $1. So that's the second method, guys. So if you already have funds in your account in whatever currency, even if you already have funds in dollars already, let's assume you already have funds in dollars, like you have a balance of maybe $1, $2 in your USD account, then there's no need for you to fund your wallet. So you just have to go ahead to just get your card. Okay, if you already have some dollars on your gray account. So that's basically it, guys. This is all about funding your gray wallet account. If you know that you understand what I've said so far, please let me know in the comment section, and if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. So now that we've funded our account, or let's say we successfully converted our funds to dollars, let's head to the card session to purchase our free card. Okay, so I already have my card here, but I'm going to be showing you how to do this real quick.
All right, very quickly, let's get our dollar card. Now that we've funded our account with $1 successfully, that's our US dollar account. So you see where we have cards, that's the second interface. That's why I clicked on, and then I'll just click on get started. So it says you'll be charged a one-time fee. Okay, you'll be charged a one-time fee of $1 from your USD balance. Below is the breakdown. So before it was $5, so now it's $1. So just click I confirm to pay the one-time fee of $1, and then you click create my virtual dollar card. So guys, it says your virtual debit card is ready. That's just basically it though. The major issue, or let's just say where the stress is a little bit, is just to fund your wallet. So now, just once you've had if you've gotten $1 on your account, just click you confirm to pay, and then get your virtual dollar card, and that's just basically it. Your virtual debit card is ready and set. So go to card. You head to your card now. Let's check our card. Voila, guys. You see that $1 that you funded, it's still on your account, oh, it's still under your card. So it's not like you paid for anything. They still gave it to you. It was used to fund your card. So if you want to check your details, you just click on details and they will show you your card number, your CVV, and every other thing. So guys, that is only exclusive to you. You must not show anybody any of this your card details to avoid loss of funds. Okay, it's very important you hide that. That's why I say I'm obstructing mine. So your details shouldn't be shown to anyone. So if you want to withdraw funds, you can withdraw funds to your USD balance. Okay, you can even get a card statement, your US card statement from this virtual card. Okay, you can get your insights, and even if you want to delete your card, you can go ahead to delete your card. So guys, you saw how easy it was to get your virtual dollar card, and there are so many things you can do with this virtual dollar card. So ensure you enjoy this opportunity now. Rush after watching this video to get your own virtual dollar card created. It's as easy as that, guys. It's as easy as ABC. So we are done with that step, guys. We are done. We finally have our virtual dollar card. Just so you know, this deal won't last forever, so don't wait. Just think of all the things you can do with your virtual dollar card for just 1,700 naira. It's perfect for subscriptions, international payments, or online shopping. And yes, if this video has given you value, please do me a favor. Do not just leave quietly. Ensure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips like this and other videos on how to make money online. And most importantly, share this video with your friends so they do not miss out on this limited time offer, alright? So there you have it. Head over to grey.co, fund your wallet, and get your own virtual dollar card for just $1. Don't forget to check out my registration guide if you are new to grey.co. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.